Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect with CJ Dropshipping detailed guide step by step clearly. First, visit the official CJ Dropshipping website. Create an account by clicking on the sign up button. Fill in the required information, including your email address and password. Verify your email by checking your inbox for a verification link. Once your account is verified, log in to the CJ Dropshipping platform. Navigate to the My Products section to explore available products. Use the search bar to find specific items or browse through categories. Select a product to view more details, including pricing and shipping options. To add a product to your store, click on the Add to Import List button. Go to your import list to review the products you selected. Adjust pricing and details as needed before pushing products to your store. Integrate your e-commerce platform by selecting the appropriate integration options. Follow the prompts to link your store, entering any necessary API keys. Once connected, sync your products to ensure they appear in your online store. To fulfill orders, navigate to the Orders section of your CJ account. When you receive an order, manually place it through the CJ platform or use the automate. Track the order status within your CJ dashboard for updates. Communicate with your customers about shipping times and provide tracking information. Utilize the resources in the Help Center for any further questions or support. Regularly check for new products or updates in the Product Recommendations section. Engage with the CJ Dropshipping community for tips and best practices. Optimize your product listings based on sales data and customer feedback. Continue to learn and adapt your strategy for maximum success in dropshipping. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.